Hexagon's Exalt quality management apps help organizations improve production quality and track trends over time. In this video, we'll use the Exalt Quality Final Inspection apps to record and address issues when and where they occur. First, I'll tap Vehicle Inspections to see the units that are ready for review. Notice the status of each unit so you can stay on schedule with lead times. You can select a unit from this list to review your inspection plan. Here you can view a summary and status of the inspection. You can also view current defects, create new defect records, or send notifications. Look at open items. You can start your inspection by simply going down the list for this plan. Items that require only a visual inspection can be marked as passed or failed by tapping the correct button. Based on the configuration, some items require a test or a recorded measurement to determine inspection results. The app guides inspectors through the tests, recording the outcome and marking the item. If the test is timed, an app allows the inspector to start the timer with the test and continue inspecting other items in the plan. Marking an inspection item as failed will require further action. Attributes specify the exact nature of the failure to aid in root cause analysis. In this example, you'll take a picture, annotate it, and describe the problem you found. Based on the type of inspection performed, you might be required to provide additional details, such as a measurement or the department responsible for the defect or issue. Your decisions during an inspection are automatically routed to the appropriate teams throughout your organization. Based on the details of the inspection plan and items, different departments will be alerted to specific problems, so they can send resources to resolve those issues. You no longer need to get on the radio or phone to resolve an issue, which makes the process more efficient. There are scratches in the final finish. Know that a unit cannot pass inspection until all problems have been resolved and passed re-inspection. Let's take a look at this now. You can tap interior or exterior defects to see all of the issues discovered during inspection that you individually are responsible for pertaining to the inspected unit. For example, welding will be notified of joint issues, while paint will be notified of scratches and drips. By sliding to the left, you can review all defects and completed items for the entire inspection plan. Let's review the inspection item you created earlier. You can see the nature of the defects by selecting the blue bar and then select Dispositions for more details. Notice the easy-to-review format with a picture and description right at your fingertips. After you fix the problem, you can notify the initial inspector or mark the item as passed re-inspection yourself based on your organization's best practices. Completed repaint and buff. Finally, tap Analyze Item Defects to gain insight into the quantity of inspection fails and which departments are most problematic. You now have more time to address these discoveries. This graph shows that you're gradually lowering the number of defects. In the lower right, you can see the department responsible for mounting systems is where most inspection failures are recorded, so your quality team knows where to focus their efforts. Dashboards provide real-time insight to the production teams by indicating where non-conformances have been noted with higher frequency. Drill down to learn which products were affected and which departments are responsible. This is just one set of apps that can help quality management teams. Watch the non-conformance video for another example. To learn more about enhancing product quality using Hexagon's Exalt apps for iOS, Android, and browser devices, visit www.hexagonexalt.com.